Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for making time to join us today. And if you're new, welcome. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, please do so. It's absolutely free. So just press the subscribe button, hit it. It's that subscribe button right now. It's red somewhere here, I would say. Yeah, so thank you so much for subscribing. And with the MATEP sisters, I usually shoot with my sister Faith, who is not here with me today. So today I just want to show you guys how to do herb workouts for beginners. So if you've been doing herb workouts and you find it to be really hard to do them, or you simply can't do them, maybe you're going ahead of yourself. So you just need to begin simple and small, and then you work your way up as you do more complicated exercises. So guys, welcome to this episode and let's go. All right, so you need to have your mat like this, and you need to have this mat. I like this mat because it's just, it's not slidey. Yeah. All right, so the first exercise we're going to do, you want to lie straight on your back like so. All right, make sure you bend your knees like so, and then you just want to relax on the floor, your arms by your side, and then you want to just do this as you breathe out. So breathe out slowly, breathe out as you go back to the flow. Okay, so let's do this again. So breathe out as you squeeze your abs muscles. Just hold it. Just squeeze your abs, guys. What it means to squeeze your abs is just assume that your belly button is really, you're just squeezing it really in, yeah, almost close to your back. Assume your belly button is like that. So just really squeeze it, and then just get back to the flow. Let's do a couple of repetitions for that. So get off the flow, squeeze your abs muscles as you breathe out. Okay, let's go back. But remember that you should not hold your breath, guys, because you might faint. You need to be breathing throughout. So let's do this. So while you're holding and squeezing your abs, you need to be breathing. So breathe in, breathe out. Whatever you do, just remember you squeeze those abs muscles, guys. Let's get back to the flow. This is especially important if you just gave birth and you're beginning to work out. It's very important in really toning up your muscles and making sure that you're ready for even better, for more, how would I say, complicated exercises. Okay, all right, so we're gonna do the second exercise. You want to slide your legs one by one as you just squeeze your muscles and breathe out, sorry. So let's begin with sliding one leg as you breathe out and squeeze those abs, guys. Okay, let's do this. And then as you bring your legs up again, you make sure you squeeze your ab muscles again. Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna do it to the second leg now. Just slowly and controlled. By controlled, I mean you really have to focus on your abs, guys. Okay, so let's do this. So you want to do a couple of those. Ideally, you should do about 30 repetitions, but you can even do more or less depending on your fitness level. All right, so those are the two exercises that are very important in just helping you to tone up those muscles and getting you ready for the exercises. But you need to make sure that you do them as you engage your core, like I've already told you. Okay, so the other exercise for beginners is you just sit like this. So this exercise, you can do it as you sit or as you stand, whichever posture really, okay, but I'm going to do them as I sit, okay? So what you want to do is to really focus on your abs as you breathe out and squeeze those abs, okay? Just squeeze them, squeeze, and then breathe out, breathe in, sorry. So as you breathe in, you want to just breathe in using your, I would say, abdomen, but don't bulge your belly like that, because you will be working against yourself. So you just want to breathe out, breathe in slowly, and then breathe out as you squeeze those abs, okay? Just focus on your ab muscles as you squeeze them. Breathe in, breathe out as you squeeze those abs, guys. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, and just hold it. Just make sure your belly button is really going in, guys. Yeah, as you squeeze those abs. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. You want to do a couple of these exercises, about 20 or so repetitions every day. Just make sure you interchange these exercises that I've just told you. Very important in toning up your ab muscles and making you to be a bit fit, okay? So the other exercise that I'm going to do, that is a bit not easy but it's a bit it's for beginners, okay? So what you want to do, you lie flat on your mat like this. They're called the heel touches. So what you want to do, you want to do the crunch as you touch your heel, okay? So as you get up, you want to breathe out and squeeze your ab muscles, guys, okay? So let's do this. Touch your heel, touch your heel. As you breathe out, you know, because I'm talking, I'm not doing it very well, but you should not even be talking. You should just be squeezing them. Squeeze your abs, guys. You want to do a couple of repetitions for that, and then the next exercise is we're going to do the plank, okay? The side plank. This is also very easy. Not easy, but you know, important in helping you to tone those abs and get you ready for more complicated ab workouts, okay? So focus on your form, guys. Make sure you really... All right, let's do this. Just ensure you lift your hands up like I'm doing. Squeeze your abs as you do it, but make sure you breathe, okay? Don't hold your breath like this. No, breathe. So breathe in, breathe out, like that. So you want to hold that for a couple of seconds or 1 minute, and then you want to turn to the other side. Same thing. All right, guys, so you want to hold that in for a while, but it is really of no use for you to do these exercises if you do not engage your core, okay? Just squeeze those ab muscles, squeeze them. So the last exercise we're going to do today, guys, is a crunch. So you want to lie flat, extend your legs, breathe out as you do the crunch, and squeeze those abs muscles. All right, that's the workout, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.